So last night I was thinking about train horns. The thing about a train horn is it's not just one horn, it's several horns. There can be 4 or 5 or even 6 horns. And each one plays a different note, and then together they make a chord, which is a musical thing. A musical thing. So I wanted to know what chords train horns made, because why not? And one of the more common ones is A major sixth. And I can play a chord on here, and you can see if it sounds like a train horn. That sounds like a train horn to me. That's so cool. So the notes are F sharp, C sharp, E, and A. And it's a train horn. Other train horn chords are A seventh, similar, and C sharp diminished seventh. That sounds pretty train horn-like too. But that one's my favorite. So to do that, all I had to do is tune the G string down to F sharp. Normally it's half a step higher. Then you just make this one a C sharp, and you get a train horn.